Hey, I've been getting some questions. I know that some of you are curious about what type of travel training do you have access to when you become a travel agent. So I wanted to jump on here and answer those questions for you. Well, pretty much you have access to anything that is in the industry. So whether that is airlines, whether that is private villas, hotels, tour excursions, cruises, you basically have access to it all. So once you become a travel agent and you sign up with our host agency, you pretty much have that unlimited travel training and access to certificates. So if you are wanting to get certified in a special niche, like myself, I am a Jamaica specialist, and I also have a specialist certificate for Virgin Voyages cruises. So, I mean, there's literally a lot of things. If you like Disney, you can become a Disney specialist. If you like Fiji, you can become a Fiji specialist. So it's up to you what niche you'd like to brand yourself. The good thing about it is, once you get started, you get your travel credentials right away. So you're able to start booking travel as well as dive in and start training and getting your special niche and certification. The good thing also is that you have access to me as your travel business coach, as well as our exclusive Facebook group where there's other leaders where you can get your questions answered and also, find out more about the travel business. So one thing that I just wanted to let you know is definitely we have plenty of travel training for you. The one thing is, do not book another trip without making travel your business, because I want to help you get on the money making and saving side of travel.